How to check people you follow on Facebook. If you are looking for ways to see the people you follow on Facebook, this video is for you. On your Facebook app, navigate to the top right corner where you see your profile menu and tap on it. Then proceed to scroll down until you locate settings and privacy and tap on it. A drop-up menu will appear. Proceed to tap on settings. With this selected, when you scroll down a bit, you could see your activity. Under your activity, proceed to tap on activity log. Allow it a bit of moment to finish loading. On this interface, proceed to scroll down a bit until you locate connections, then tap on it. Then with this selected, when you scroll down a little bit, you could see followers. Under it, you could see manage followers. In this case, we are going to proceed to tap on manage followers. So this will pull out all the list of accounts you followed on Facebook. So when I scroll down, I could see all those accounts I followed in the past. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider to subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.